thank God. Now I already have a plan. But too bad, he's to the west, he's to the east. So I have to make sure it goes to the east. Good luck! Luckily, someone pushed the reverse button, and that's Nina. Okay, to the right, please. Give me a good one, give me a good one. 5, 6, kanan, kanan. Ay, nako, ano ba yan? Malas. Pero okay lang yan. At least I was able to stop it. That's one person. Mga bobo kayo. At dahil dyan, I got 2 stars! Sana dapat sa kanan? Swabe. Malas. Di ba, Ale? Okay lang yan. Baka ano yung gusto mo, Ninya? Ay, naku, iwan ko na sa'yo. Sayang. Time for a battle minigame. I'll gather points from each player, and the winner will keep the lion's share. Okay, pitch in your coins, everyone. O yan, 20 pesos. Bigay mo na yung 20 pesos mo, bobo kayo. Ay, nako, si Sir kulang sa pera. Pero di ba, alam ko na kung ano yung laro. Sana dapat yung mas mabilis. Ay, nako, cut from the team. Ewan ko na sa'yo, tungkol dyan. Sana hindi ako mapadalo dyan, mga bobo kayo. Good luck, mga ewan kayo. Design yung oras ko. Yan! Ano ba yan si Kurt? Blown away na siya, mga buka, mga putaki talaga. Yeah, finally mga bobo ka! Sige nga, hanapin mo isa, mga bobo ka! Kung ikaw yan, ikaw talaga yung premyo ka talaga. Time mo talaga kuya to. Safe! Save na ako. Security guard, ano pa may yan? Time mo talaga. Safe! Iwan ko na dyan. Dito ko sa pamito. Please Lord, sana ako ilap to. Okay, I'm fine. I'm safe. Yan! Tapos! Putakin mo! Lahat kayo, wala kayong kwenta, mga bobo kayo. Mga bobo, mga kako, mga epal, mga buisit, mga tantado, mga puta ka na kayo. Ako na talaga yung panalo dyan. Lahat kayo, mga iwan kayo. Putakin mo! Dahil dyan, panalo ko, masaya na ako, buisit kayo. Ewan na lang ko sa'yo. Okay. Romans chapter. Now. Let's read the Bible to calm our nerves. Colossians chapter 1 verses 9 to 10. Ever since we heard about you, we never stop praying. And we even ask God to fill you with knowledge that comes from the Holy Spirit. That means whenever someone does something bad, we earnestly keep on praying. And we purge away the bad deeds and make it good. And God's wisdom will help us purge away everything rootless in life for this holy week. Here's another one. Proverbs chapter 18 verse 12. Humility comes together with respect. Therefore, if you have humility, if you want to be humbled and respected by everyone, do what is right and behave for the Lord. That's what the Bible verse meant. Psalm chapter 132 verse 7. Let us go to the house of the Lord and worship his holy footstool. Yeah! Hoo-hoo! Now. Cut out the excitement. Just like what I said, it means you go to the house of the Lord and worship him. Oh, I get a plan. Watch this. Worship him with care and with pride. That is what it meant. Romans chapter 2 verses 6 to 9. It says, Uy, bili ako ng candies na dapat maayos na yan, ha? Oh man, not those exciting candies. Ito na, para kay Kuya Martin Del Rosario. Bilis naman yun. Hindi ako, panalo pa siya. Diba na? Yeah! I'm really gonna defeat Rafi! Diba na? Kung ano yung balak mo? 9. Uy, sayang malapit na yun. Sige nga, bayan na ng bullet candy. Sana may stock, ha? Ay, galing. Diba na, Bowser candy na ulit. Part in case lang talaga, I need some moves. You know what I mean? Salamat po, ate. And don't forget, first tip. Hoy! Swaba naman, tinawag ko na naman yung... tayo na talaga yun. Ayoko talaga yun. Tapon mo na. Ewan ko na sa'yo. Wow! Now. Cut it out. We were supposed to be having a Bible study lecture, not one filled with extraneous laughter. Ay, nako, dito na si Kuya Martin Del Rosario. Papatayin na naman yung isang tao. And bro, wow! You better watch out, because my buddy Hammer Bro here will always be on the win, and there is no way that he's going to lose. Yeah, bro! Okay, ano yung balak niya? Yeah! Yahoo! Through a wormhole! Hoy, sign lang yun! Okay, maybe I can get my chance later on. We'll see na lang later. Now, just remember 1 Timothy chapter 2, 1, verse 2, verse 5. I agree that all prayer requests and all things must be done to worship the Lord. And verse 5, for there is only one meditator in our lives, and his name is Christ. As they say, have a boring but blessed day. Ugh. Ay, naku, iwan ka na sa'yo. Paano ko manalo dyan? Panalo ako, pero di ba niya, okay lang yun. I'll give him a chance. Next time na lang I'll win. Uy, gago, di ko nakita. Boss! I would never be there! I would never be there! That's happening now! Sige, kung yung gusto mo, Kurt. Anyway, here's another set of sounds I want to tell you. I think it's for me. Romans chapter 7 verses 18 to 19. I tried to get rid of my old self, but I can't. No matter how much I tried, it was quite worthless. That's okay, son. Just, huy, malapit na yan! Di ba, Ale? Ilang yan. Anyway, that's okay. Just remember, the Lord is always there. Whatever problem you have, just ask Him for help, and He'll help you. You understand? Huy, malapit! Ay, nako, tinawag ko na si Duterte kanina na yun. Talaga bumalik na naman siya. Wah! God is protecting my army. He's going to win. Wah! Iwan ko na sa'yo. Bali, may balak na ako. Para sa pamatayan, mga bobo kayo. number dapat ha. 10. Okay na yan. Di ba? Shortcut. Ay, nako. Iwan ko na sa'yo. Uy, malapit na yan ha. Nice. But it's still not enough to beat that Kuya Martin. He's so strong. Dami niyang ipon na between. Sabi naman. Anyway, don't mind the stars. Just mind the verses. What about this one? Any more verses you want to tell? Hey, what about this one? 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 3. Have endurance to suffering and faith like a soldier in Christ. Very good. Because I heard a while ago you were angry that you lost your script. But just remember to have faith in God and everything will be pleasant. Understand? That's right, NetNots. Anyways, uy, malapit na yan. Don't focus on that. Focus on me. Here's another one. What else? 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 7. Reflect and go back to God's word. Very good. Like what happened a while ago, you got mad because your candles were broken. So always talk to God and ask for help. And verse 23, the Lord knows everyone here on earth, and those who turn and confess to Him will be turned away from wickedness. Very good. And verse 23, don't get involved in argument or you start a fight. And verse 11, there's something that says, since God's faith is God, and He'll never forever evil. Gago naman, iwan ko na sa iyo tungkol siya. Uy, malapit na yan ha. Yan. Uy, malapit na yan ha. Yan. Oh my God. Ay, malapit na yan. At saka tungkol dyan, panalo na ako. Mga puwisit kayo. I'm saved! Yes! Yes! Wow, it seems like my brother is still very far now, and there's no way I can defeat him unless I just use my Bowser candy once, then I could defeat him. Here it is, guys! The last 5 turns! Will I be able to reach the top? Only one way to find out. Or maybe they're bonus stars, so maybe we'll see. Calling all winners, calling all losers. We've got a shake-up coming. Wahahaha! Yes! Hold the show! We've only got 5 turns left! Let's take a look at the standings! Wahahaha! Ambrose in first place. Yeah! Rafi's in second place. Curtis in third place, which was Elijah Leo in last place. And now we head into the final 5. Anything could happen, especially since it's time for the Chump Charity. Wahahaha! How about can losers become winners? Let's find out. So let's give our last place player just one piece of Twirlo candy. Can you take the lead now, Jasmine? Great! At least if she'll defeat Hammer Bro, that's too good. Great! Now let's give you all a run for your money. We'll plop coin bags onto red spaces and 1 coin onto all the other spaces. Well, that shook things up. Anything can happen during these final 5 turns. Wahahaha! Here's my next psalm I want to tell you. Psalm chapter 101 verse 2. I will always be a blameless person here on earth. Now when will the Lord come for me? That is right. Instead of causing malice upon people, ask the Lord to help you be a good friend to others. Be nice. What about this one? Matthew chapter 1 verse 1. It says, the book of genealogy talks about Christ, who is the son of David and Abraham. That is correct. Because that is what the Bible story tells us as we start the New Testament. It tells us more about the Old Testament from Christ. And verse 18 it says, before Mary gave birth to Christ, she married a righteous and handsome man named Joseph. That is right. Because before Christ was born, Mary married Joseph. And verse 21, he was called Jesus because he wants the name to be forgiven from all the sins. Very good. At least you're understanding the Bible. This means, like if you notice in our real situation right now, yes! Huy galing! Now, stop exclaiming whatever happens. Be attentive with my Bible study. Come on, I was so close to win. Paano yan, di ako panalo dyan? Sayang lang yun, sana dapat tinawa ko na si Duterte. Swabe. He just wants to let that guy win. But it's too late now, here comes trouble. And bro, I'm really gonna defeat that bro. Hay, nako. Diba na, okay lang yan. I'll try to rest back some other time. Huy, gago! Alam ko na yun! Yeah! Hee-hee! I got 2 stars! Fuck! Diba na kung yung balak niya? Wow! Jesus Christ! Putay mo talaga, Duterte! Wala kang kwenta! Lalo na si Erwin Tulfo o si Rafi Tulfo, ewan ko na dyan. Takbo na kayo, mga buwisit kayo. Ha! Lahat kami na tumakbo. Ewan ko na sa'yo, mga bobo kayo, mga buwisit kayo. Wala kayo alam, doon na kayo, mga squat na kayo sa mag-iisip, mga bobo kayo. Ay, naku, not that game again. I hate you all. Grabe naman, pero okay lang yan. I try to focus or try to keep up, pero okay lang yan. Nice one, James Graham. Hooray! Okay, everybody. Time for the next set. Sayang lang talaga, there's no way na talaga for me to win. Di bali na. Sayang. Nice! Sana dapat kay Hammer Bro na lang, huwag na sa kanya. Swabe naman. I don't want to see dual mini games. Don't you, right? Yeah, don't you. Watching dual mini games is just a waste of time. I don't need to see it anyway. La! Walang kwenta naman kayong dalawa. Bali, may balag na ako. Never mind if I don't get 4 stars, what is it when I steal 3? Or 40 na ako. 1-4. Never mind na talaga if I don't get to beat that Sir Erwin. He's so smart kasi eh. He'll take advantage of everyone. Bahala man yung gusto niya sa aming lahat. Iiwan ko na sa kanya. May balang na ako if ever. Yan! Malapit na! But at least, you know what happens? I got 3 stars! Yeah! Yahoo! Yo! Stay on the lead! Hay, nako, ewan ko na sa'yo, Kuya Kim. Ano na? O Kuya Ivan Mahina or Nelson Canlas? Ayan, pwede na mag-rest back. Galing. Faster! And I hope my friends can also beat him. Oh no, here comes trouble. The Bowser Candy's back. Yes! Swabe! Nandito na yung best friend ko, mga bobo kayo. Wah! You're gonna get it now, Sonny. Wah! Putang mo! Wah! I budgeted his stars off. Now I'll make it easy for Rappy to win. Wah! Good luck, Rappy. Can you try to beat him? Well, we'll see about that right after this, guys. Ay, naku, iwan ko na sa'yo. O, mga bobo dito kayo sa snow. Wala kayong kwenta kayo dito dyan. Takbo na kayo, mga bobo kayo, mga buwisit kayo. Hoy, Hana! Ay, nako, putay na talaga. Ay, nako, buwisit naman. Tentado, gago, inutil, tentado, mga bobo, buwisit. Di ba, alam kung ano yung discard niya, walang kwenta naman talaga. Returns na lang, iwan ko na sa'yo. Anak na ng Bible study. Buwisin naman talaga mag-Bible study dito. Okay, Kurt. Or Christian. Or Martin. Uy, malapit na yan. He can still defeat you naman. Yes! Nice, nice man! Kanan kanan! Huwag sa kaliwa. Kanan! Yun! Kanan, please! Hard left! Agay! Bale, okay na yan. Para may balak na ako. Thank you, Sia! I got a plan right now. Here it is. Bowser Candy once again. And I'm afraid I can't beat those guys anymore. Too bad. That's already my chance, but it's too late now. 3. Sapat na yan. 6, 9. Okay, to the right, to the right. Sayang. Pero it just went up one step. Okay lang yan. I got 2 stars! Yan! Finally back to base. Pero not before long ha. Kasi nga, alam ko talaga mahabol pa yan. May balak pa rin siya eh. Alam ko na yun. Even though that was the manifested plan. Pero what I do not know, this will still be the outcome. Alam ko na yung balak niya eh. So there's no way I can win unless lang talaga they're power stars. Just 1 star lang? Sayang. Ouch! Ow! Sakit! Sayang lang if I still got another one. Pero di bali na. Yeah! Hee-hee! I'm gonna win! Yeah! Di bali na? Only for once? Hoo-hoo! Got on the back! Sayang na sayang. Pero di bali? Okay lang yan. There's no way na talaga for me to win. What can I do? Wala na akong balak. Kahit doon ako sa bulkan, sa lava pool, na walang kwenta. Wow! You are so close, Rappy. But maybe next time you will really defeat him. Wow! Tayo mo talaga, President Duterte. Wala kang kwenta. Tapos sila ating mga kaibigan mo, mga bobo sila. Parang anak ng squatter naman talaga yung tayo talaga yung nerd na yun. Uy, kako nung mamas ka na dyan. ewan kayo. Oy, gago ka! Diba yun? Kurt! Yan! Ewan ko na sa'yo, Kurt. Baka lang yung gusto mo. Wala kang kwenta-kwenta, wala kang tuga-tuga. Tayo mo. Yes! Ay, nako! Pinasayang mo yung oras ko. Si ano to, si Martin, wala siya. Ano yun? Si ano yun, who's this? The little girl. Oh no, now I'm in big trouble now. I do not know what to do. Di ba na let him win? Wala na akong choice eh. Tsaka I was not able to buy any extra candy for the final round. Sayang. Ibala lang ko yung balak. Unless I just get one. Uy, galing! Wow! That's one way to escape. Now, my aching, everything. Oh my goodness, citizen watching. Must save my face. Must be boring. Oh, hello, citizen. Mr. Knitnuts is on the scene. I'm here to boldly take you into my boring space buffet. Here, you will just fly up there and receive boring candy. I know, it's already the last turn. Paano ko makuha ng candy pa dyan? And how can I use it to attack? It's already the last turn na. Sayang lang yun. Pero at least naman, that's a good escape plan. No, don't care about that. I know, wag na tayo magtiwala. Alam ko na talaga panalo na yun si Kuya Christopher Martin o si Kuya Tony or Boom Labuska. Ha! Kahit gumanon ka, wala kang magnanakaw ng between. And even if he were to take the left, wala siya magnanakaw sa akin. Wala! Walang between. Diba na lang, wala lang talaga? Yeah! Yahoo! I'm the winner! Diba na? Huwag na tayo sa inyo oras. Diba na? Welcome to my boring Yeah, I know. Patuloy lang talaga yung run. I don't need to stop for candy anymore. That's right, because it's the last turn. And you are just being much too exciting. Please make it stop. Oh my goodness. Diba na? Panalo na yun, I'm very certain. And even if I do get the bonus stars, there's nothing we can do about that na. Wala tayong choice. There's nothing we can do about it anymore. But for now, wow! Welcome to the finale. Hope that you all had a blast. And I'm delighted to see that you all made it here in one piece. And what a marathon session. You went so far that my feet are so sore just from watching you all. Don't forget to stretch out or you'll be too sore to throw your hat into the ring tomorrow. Wah! Now, my ears, they hurt. Too much exciting talk. Not enough results. Well said, no. What is it? What about always covering me? Yes, let's get to those results. Yes, and we can't name the winner yet. So we need to find out who gets these. You know what to say. Bonus stars! That's right. You may have chased your stars earlier, but these bonus stars come to you. Each of them counts toward your star total. Now, news flash. Incoming most exciting bonus stars. 3 exciting kinds are on the way. What type of bonus star will be the first to appear? The Candy Star. Lastly, this star goes to the player called the most candy. And our Candy Star goes to Jonuts! Yeah, that's definitely not me after all. But good job, he gets 1 point anyway. Now for the second bonus star, what kind will it be? The Running Star. Brilliant. Of course, that's for the farthest, and it goes to... Yaha! Thank the Lord I got it! Salamat sa inyo, Bobo Marcos, maputay ka talaga! I still got a bonus! And now for the last bonus star. The last bonus star is the Shopping Star. Alam ko na yan, para sa akin to ha! Alahay, nako, sayang na sayang! Di bale, okay lang yan! That's the last of them bonus stars! I know I'm not the winner for now, but do your thing. And now, I think I'll come. Wahahaha! And now, to tell you the news, we finally named the winner. Although we expect that Rafi's supposed to win, but he's not our winner for today. So, let's name our winner. The ultimate victor is... Kuya Chris, what a triumph! That's not me, but it's okay. Okay lang yan. Yahoo! Yo! Tasha! Oh, that's way more exciting. Not like Rafi's. Oh my goodness, I don't want Bible study anymore. Next time when you play this game, please make it more on Bible study lecture, not Rafi's exciting battle of stars. Oh my goodness, I better talk to my great-grandson. I do not know where did he make all of this. Yo! I did it for the first time! You did it, sir! That was the first time in history, because normally I'm supposed to be winning that Grand Star champion here at Bowser's One Orbit. Wow! Nice play, Rafi, but at least you did your best. Even though you manifested that you want to win in my Warp Orbit, someone else has done it for you. Yeah! Hee-hoo! Yeah, it's Kuya Kim, ano na? Paano ka manalo? Ano man yung nangyari sa'yo? Kuya Kim, ano na? Kuya Kim, ano na? Ano yung secret kaya ko sa pagnanalo? Ang panalo ko ay kumain ako ng maraming candy. At saka hindi pwede kumain ng maraming candy dahil masakit sa panipid. At kailangan ka dapat mag-candy para mag-energize. At dahil yan, kung magkakaroon ka ng Bowser Bullet Candy, kailangan ka dapat mag-under protection ka. At kung mag-discard naman si Duterte, kailangan ka mag-discard ka para mag-iwan sa manam. Ang kailangan mo dito sa game na to ay matalino at mag-discard para sa banana na naman nito. Sa mga mo sa vaccine video mo sana may asa ko mo na kuya Kim ano na lagi na naan importante mo lang o sige yung susunod 24 hours ganun. Wow, galing naman talaga Kuya Kim, ikaw talaga yung panalo, first time in history. Woo, swabe. Yup, and that's the stats guys. Ito na yung mga stats kasi po sana dapat if I have stolen more stars from Kuya Kim or from this guy, sana dapat, ano yun, I would have beaten him. Normally dapat, I'm supposed to be the one here, the first. Pero, hindi ako. I'm second. Lang yan. Oh, it's fine. I notice talaga this happens sometimes or on very rare occasions lang. But this is just an extemporaneous concept lang. I thought, tsaka my best friend and my jowa, dapat ano yun 1 star each. Sayang lang. Diba, okay lang yun? Check the stats to find out more details. I know. So here's the stats, guys. As you can see ako, 15 stars na ako because I got 2 stars. Diba 13 ako kanina and I said to myself hindi ako panalo. So I got the 2 more stars and yun na. Hindi ako panalo. Still. Tapos, of course, with the minigame star, ako dapat yung panalo. Shopping stars, always na talaga ako yung panalo. Si Drybos talaga, si Christian talaga, kumain na siya maraming candy. Ano ba yun? Tapos yung Mr. Of course, malaki dapat ako. Sa Red Star, hi, sana dapat, ano yun? Wow! Galing naman talaga! Kung Red Star sinabi, sana dapat si Kuya Ivan ay mayroon. Tapos yung ito, si Green Star, yun nga, yung jowa ko. So tama, this evens out. I would have won the Running Star, the Mini Game Star, and the Shopping Star. While each of my best friends will win this one. This one's for Kuya Dennis Trillo. This one is for Sarah Dorothy Little. And this one's for my best friend, like Kurt, Christian, Kale, Kenyel. Diba? And of course, I only landed in the lucky round once. I called Kuya Gary once to get with Kuya Emil. So yeah. Yun lang. And that's all the details for now. Swabe naman talaga yung laro. Kala ko sana dapat, ako sana dapat yung panalo. Pero to tell you the truth, in fact, may panalo na. Yeah! Tasha! That was great, Rafi. Alam ko talaga sana dapat ikaw talaga yung panalo. Pero naswerte ako dahil sa marami kong kinuha na candy at marami akong kinainan na candy at papatay ng mga tao. Kaya naman panalo ako. Well, syempre naman, I thought I was gonna win that eh. Tsaka when it comes to the 20th and 30th set of turns, yun nga eh, bumawi ka talaga. You tried to win over me. That's why nga, I was trying to find out if I can still defeat you. Pero, wala na eh. You're already going so high na and all of my other best friends can't do anything na. Like my best friend Kurt, Dry Bones, and this one. Jonuts, we were not able to find you. You're so smart. Yeah, but I think we need a rest back someday. Yeah, try to play again. Wow! I suggest you play this game again. This time, play with new friends and try to see if Rafi can defeat his new friends this time. I hope he plays again because I'm excited to see who'll win in the next round. See you there, folks. Like and subscribe the video. Goodbye. That's it for today's video, guys. Leave a like if you like this video. And if you want to see me try to defeat one of my friends, don't forget to watch the next video. Bye. Now. Next time, make it a Bible study lecture. Not this agitating stuff. Shut up, Grandpa. No. What are you trying to do now, son? This was supposed to be a boring Bible study lecture. Come on, I'm trying to... Wow, now two Bowsers. This is even more exciting. I'm out of here. See you at the next video. Bye.